We're going to move on now to the tracking system that we've got here, which is from Mo-Sys. So I'm going to invite Mike Grieve up, who is from Mo-Sys.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And
Nice
yourself? So could you tell us a little bit about the Mostest Star Tracker system, which is what we've got, all of these little dots here that you can see all over the floor, and how the tracking system links to this?
Sure. So in any virtual production, you have a challenge of linking the virtual world with the real world. And the way you do that is through a tracking system. So we have Star Tracker on this camera here. Can we walk over here and have a look?
Yeah.
So really two components on here. There's the sensor down here. Today it's pointing down. You can see this array of stars here. It could be pointing up. It could be pointing in an LED ceiling. And as of, 2 weeks' time with Brompton, it's going to be pointing at an LED wall, markerless. But the whole concept here is that Star Tracker will capture the camera movement in 6 axes. So pan, tilt, roll, X, Y, Z, plus the lens and focus, combine the data together, throw it into an Unreal Engine. If we had the scene running, you'd see it there, and essentially adjust the perspective view to match the camera position. So we've been doing this for a long, long time. We pioneered this technology, and we do it both inside and outside. We have different techniques for outside. But we also make other products, and it's really important looking at LED volumes here today that we have 2, I think, which are really significant. One is our own server. Today we have Disguise working this volume, as Addy's going to go through, but we actually have our own version too. And one of the features in there that we have is called Cinematic Xlr Focus. And it's the first system that allows you to pull focus from talent in the volume with an object, a virtual object, positioned behind the screen, and rack focus to and from, irrespective of the camera movement. And the other thing we use with that technology is a product we're going to launch at HPA later this month called Near Time. And it essentially will allow you to re-render Unreal scenes in higher quality automatically, so you can deliver in the same delivery time span. It also has a brilliant advantage of removing wire completely, which is a big issue that we all have to face shooting LED volumes. So that's kind of an overview of this.
So we're seeing that workflow kind of really speed up
Correct.
now. Everything's being done on set.
Exactly, and then we as a manufacturer, we couldn't just remain making robotics and camera tracking systems. We had to go further to complete that whole workflow to deliver these new technologies.
Brilliant. Thank you so
Sure,
much, Mike.
pleasure.